This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
You know that frustrating feeling when you need a simple piece of information at work, but you have to submit a ticket and wait 3 days for the data team to get back to you? We have all been there. It is the ultimate office bottleneck. Well, Anthropic just gave us a rare look inside their own walls to show exactly how their employees are using Claude to completely bypass this problem. And honestly, it completely shifts how we need to think about our own jobs. Lisa is a product manager at Anthropic. Normally, if she wants to know how people are using a feature, she has two choices. She can go beg a data scientist to pull the numbers for her, or she can try to write a bunch of clunky SQL code herself and hope she doesn't break anything. It's tedious, it takes hours, and it drains all the energy out of actually building a good product. But Lisa doesn't do either of those things anymore. Instead, her team connected Claude Code directly to their massive company databases. Now, she doesn't write a single line of SQL. She just acts as a human interpreter. She opened up her terminal and literally just typed, in plain English, that she wanted to explore the fraction of dark mode usage over the past 3 months. She didn't tell Claude how to find it, she just pointed it at the data table. Instantly, Claude didn't just pull the raw numbers. It analyzed the data, wrote the code to visualize it, and generated a perfectly formatted graph. But here is the crazy part. Claude actually anticipated what she would need before she even asked. It automatically added a 7-day rolling average and the overall average to the chart, just because it knew those are metrics a product manager would find useful. When she wanted to dig deeper and see that same data broken down by user subscription plans, she just typed, "Can you actually plot it by plan type?" Boom! A new complex graph appeared immediately. Lisa admitted that doing this manually would have taken her hours of frustrating trial and error. Claude did it in seconds. But it doesn't stop at data. Lisa also showed how she uses Claude to build massive testing spreadsheets. She needed a list of 20 diverse questions a user might ask the AI, ranging from basic account questions to highly technical coding problems. Claude generated the perfect list instantly. Then, she asked it to turn that into a formatted Google Sheet and expand it to 50 questions. Again, done in seconds. What makes this so incredibly fascinating isn't just that an AI is doing a task. It's what this means for Lisa, and eventually for all of us. She pointed out that this isn't just automation, it is an expansion of human capability. Claude is allowing her to do highly technical things she wouldn't have been capable of doing independently. Instead of spending half her week wrestling with databases and coordinating with other departments, she is spending her time actually talking to customers, planning product strategy, and making high-level decisions. It makes you wonder, if your company gave you a tool that completely removed the most tedious technical parts of your day, what could you actually accomplish? I want to hear your thoughts on this. What is the one task at your job you would hand over to Claude right now if you could? Drop it in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on how AI is actually changing the real world, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join us here at AIX. See you in the next one.